Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews here, and my sister just got the Cuisinart 5-in-1 griddle. It's supposed to be like a smokeless griddle and not make so much smoke in the house, and easy. Instead of it goes on the countertop, and it's easier than cooking on the stove. And especially her exhaust doesn't really work. It's like a fake exhaust, so nothing pulls out of the kitchen at all. So she's going to try this. This is kind of what it looks like. This is the side, it says. You can see we got it from Amazon. It's brushed stainless steel. This is the model, GR-4NP1. As you can see, it says there it is. That's the model of it. And that's it, pretty much. That's it. So we're going to do an unboxing review right now at first. And then we're going to do a test or a review of us using it and stuff like that. All right? I forgot my hat because I'm out of the picture, so they can't see my hat. You know? Yeah, when I'm out of the picture, I usually put my hat. Here. See? All right, so let's open this up. Let's open this up. And we're going to see what's in here. Okay. Alright, so this is a box over a box, which is good, which I like. So it comes in like that, and that's what it looks like. So you can see the model again and all that stuff, the Griddler it's called. So let's get this out. Go. Alright, so it came upside down like that, so that's kind of what we see. Let me see how high we can see. Oh good, yeah, we can see pretty high, so we can make that out. Alright, shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Alright, so let's put this over here. Okay. Alright, so it looks like we got the cleaning tool right here. That's a plastic cleaning tool, so this probably doesn't get over 500 degrees because usually this stuff only withstands about 500 degrees. And then it has a little pick on it too for something else. I'm not sure. I guess to pick stuff out, but mostly you're going to use this and then have to clean it. I guess you have to wait till it cools maybe to use it. I'm guessing that you don't use it when it's blazing hot, otherwise this probably will melt. So you got that up there on the top. The instruction manual and all that stuff right here. Take your photo, register your product, take your photo, I guess now, or something. I don't know. Here's your instruction booklet and recipe booklet, which is cool. So they give you a recipe. If you want it in Spanish, you flip it around. It's in Spanish. We got that in here. All right. So now we're going to take out the unit itself. Put it up like this and then we'll slide it out. Okay. Slid that out. Alright, we got the styrofoam up, it's upside down. Let's flip it around. Okay, there we go. So it comes in the styrofoam as well. And then we got the plastic going on here. Okay. Alright, so it has a cool little sticker on it that you can peel off. This looks like, says the panini press, a full grill, half griddle, and full griddle. Bunch of other stuff on here, and you can make hamburgers.
Yeah, I think it has the different plates.
Oh, it's full contact. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, the ridges for the grill.
Like the who's the boxer? What's his name? What's his name? Yeah, the George Foreman grill. They used to cook from the top.
And you're supposed to be able to leave it if you want open and grilled, and you'll have more space if you need to cook more. More meat, whatever, but
so
they say closing like it is best.
Oh, okay. There's the coil, as you can see. There's the heating coil. It's only 120 volt, obviously, coil for your household. So let's take this off. We're going to check out the plate. So here's one of the griddle plates right here. Oh, this is the griddle plate, right? And then what's this called? The grill plate?
Grill plate.
Grill plate, griddle plate. Okay. So these is here. So you just flip them around pretty much is the one you need.
Comes to both sides.
Yep. So let's take this off. Then we got enough. This one's already locked into place. So yeah, that one's already locked into place, and it looks pretty simple to unlock it. You probably just pull on these tabs. Yeah, it's just like the George Foreman was very similar. So yeah, you just pull on these tabs right here, then it opens it up. You could flip it around, you pop it back in, and then it just snaps in like that, and then you can put it on that way. And then, you know, obviously if you're using this, you're probably not going to use a top because does this open fully all the way and turns into a griddle?
So that way you could do both sides, or you can use it as a press.
Yes, okay.
So it does open both. Yeah.
There we go, got it, here we go. All right, there we go, that's really cool.
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? Now you can use the whole entire thing, make pancakes, make sausage, you can make breakfast in the morning, which is really cool. And so yeah, there you go, it's opened up, you control it from here. And yeah, so that's all it is. Very simple. And then if you're gonna use the grill, and you want to have grill marks on your paninis or your burger and stuff like that, your steak, you're going to flip it like that. It's going to lock back into place, and then you're going to use it this way instead. And then it can stay open as well. It looks like on the side we have what? Oh, this button automatically does it. See, the George Foreman, obviously I was 8 years ago. That one you had only clips. This has a button on it, so they both have buttons on them. So you just hit this button on the side, it pops right open.
And this will be very easy to clean.
Okay, got it. So you close it like that, and then it flattens like that, goes on like that. Got it. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then yes, that's it. Here's the dials right here. It says it goes up to 425 degrees we could set it to. So we'll test that out when we're going to use it probably tomorrow. I'll bring up my surface thermometer and we'll test it out. We'll turn it at a certain temperature and we'll test out and see if it actually regulates the temperature in the one that in wherever you set it at, and it keeps it at that temperature and doesn't overheat or burn your stuff. All right, so here's the selector and the middle button. You either pick griddle or you pick grill and panini. Now, I don't know why there's two different options on here because there's only one coil. So I don't know if it heats it up differently because that doesn't make sense because you still got to set the temperature. So I'm not sure. We got to look this in the instruction manual. What would be the difference between griddle and grill because there's only one element and it's the same heat. It doesn't really do anything. So that's confusing. We got to look that up in the manual.
Distributes it
Differently, but there's only one coil. It's not like there's 10 coils and I get it. It distributes the heat differently. There's one coil and that's it. So grill or panini. Oh, now I got it.
Now that we went through the whole thing.
Now that I went through the whole spiel, when you put it over here, you use this side to grill your panini or you make your hamburger. If you're gonna make pancakes and eggs and stuff like that, you're gonna use the griddle. Then you're gonna use this side, the temperature side.
Okay.
So that's how it goes. So this is the selector to select which side, and the middle is off. So that's how it goes. So that's how the button is right there. Like I said, this is to clean your griddle. And then your grill, right here. And this is, like I said, this comes in handy as long as you don't melt it and use it while it's really hot. Then there's another scraper on this side as well, so that, you'll be able to scrape, over here as well. So it also has a grease strip on the side, in the back over here. I'm going to show you that in a second. So we're going to go through that. I'm not sure what this part is for. Maybe to get into the corners, I don't know. Not really 100%. But it does have like a screwdriver looking thing on the other side. So let's flip it to the side and what does this say? When only one surface is needed, use bottom plate. Alright? Alright, insert this way. I don't know what the hell. Oh, this is the grease tray. Okay, it comes out from this way. I thought it came out from the back because that's what it looks like. Okay, so it comes out from here, and this is your grease tray right here. It drips into the back, into this little slot, as you can see. Here's the slot right there. So it drips through, they got this little thing that drips on both sides right here, and it drips right into this little plate. So that's kind of how it goes. It's got these little rubber stoppers to, when you open it, and that's it. It does adjust to the size of your sandwich, not in the actual hinge part. It does it at the top part in the center base of it, I guess you could say, the center, whatever. It does it in the center. So say it goes like this, and you have a panini this thick. Say it'll most likely go like this. You know what I mean? And then it'll heat up your food. So, so it'll heat up the food and it'll stay straight. Okay? Otherwise it locks in the position and then it goes that way if you're heating something like it's very skinny. Okay? So that's it. Griddler by Cuisinart is on the top. And that's all we're going to do right now. That's just an unboxing review for the beginning. Like I said, tomorrow my sister's going to cook some steak. We're going to watch that video as well. We're going to watch her use it. We're going to temp it up. We're going to make sure it actually works the right way. And then we're going to go from there. All right?
Is there something to hold the tool?
So,
anywhere?
not that I can
Hold
see.
the tool? Like at the bottom, do you want to check? Or?
No, I don't think so.
No, I think you just keep it in like the drawer.
I think, yeah, there's nothing here. Cleaning and scraping tool, no. It does it all with grill. Shows you the buttons, the hinge release, flat position, and then it goes right to maintenance. Now, nope, that's it. And then it goes to recipes. So this is the recipes that they have if you guys want to see it. So you guys can check that out. Pause the video real quick, and then you can see the video, what they actually have. I hope you can actually see that. I don't know if you can. I don't know what the hell. Why is it so blurry? Oh, there we go. Now it looks better. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so that's it right now. Oh shit. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see you tomorrow, and we'll test the cooking out. All right. Bye bye. Later, everybody.